Hello guys, it's Darry from Cosmic Campervans, and today I'm going to show you through a full walkthrough of how to operate the Mobiframe bed. It's been a highly requested video because a lot of people have been asking us how do these Mobiframe beds work, and basically I want to make you a video so it's easier. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you how the easiest bed on the market is usable. So basically this is a 112 bed, similar to a rib bed, 112 centimeters across, and it is a bed that is on rails. So it's very easy to operate. Simply just pull this bar up like that and pull it forward. When you want to lock it into place, like that, that's simple. So in terms of the actual backwards and forwards movement of this bed, it's very easy. Anybody can do it, even if you're not feeling up to it in terms of strength wise. It doesn't take a lot of effort to do it. You can move it all the way to the back of the van. Now you can see this is a short wheelbase van, so I'm as far back as I can go, but if you want to move it all the way back to the front in terms of travelling, you can come all this way right up behind the passengers. So it's a much more sociable setting, I'd say, for people who are travelling on the travelling seats in the back. So if you've got kids and they want to sit closer to the front, you can do that. You can obviously lock it into place here, or you can move it back. Now, to turn it into the bed system, get rid of these here. Again, very simple. I'm going to move it back about halfway, and then we have this lever here. So we pull the lever up, the bed platform comes up, pull it forward out like that. That locks into place. Not sure yet. Then there's a small red lever here that we pull, and this bit comes down. Then we have the memory foam mattress built into the bed. That pulls over and makes the front of the bed platform. And then we have a little release tab at the back here, which pulls up and goes down like that. So you can see now this makes the full bed platform. It's almost exactly the same dimensions as a rib 112, and it's much more comfortable to sleep on because it's got a memory foam backing built into the actual bed. So how do we put it back together? Well, again, just the reverse. We pull this pull lever here, pull this up, lock it into place, pull this up, back into place, pull this lever. There you go. That's how quick it is to go from bed to seated position with the Mobiframe. Now if we want to move it all the way back, pull up, move it back in there and lock it into position. So easy. Now the Mobiframes, they do come with attachments and extras that you can get. So you can get an underbed drawer system, which lives under here, and you can get bags that sit on the side of the bed as well. So if you need more storage, you can do that. So final points about the Mobiframe. You can take this bed out, okay? So if you need to use your van as a van, you can take the actual bed out of the rails within 10 seconds. You will need 2 people to do it because it is quite a heavy bed, but you can take it out and use the van again. You can have this fitted to a pre-converted van. So this van actually came to us with a rib bed already fitted. What we did is we took out his old interior, we took his old ply floor out, and we fitted the new floor and the bed to his existing conversion. Now that's a very important point to make about the Mobiframe. This comes as a pair with the floor. This is why it's such a genius product, because you no longer need to have the ply floor fitted. It comes with a composite bonded floor directly to the van. We fit that within 2 hours, and then we fit the bed on top of that into the rails. So there's no more 2 or 3 day fitting times that you have with the rib bed system. And in my opinion, there's no better bed system on the market right now. So another really good thing about the Mobiframes is that you can obviously get a massive boot space. So if we want to pull the bed forward all the way to the front, let's run round to the back of the van and now show you how usable the van is with this. So you can see here we've gained the whole entire rear quarter of the van to be used. And if we wanted to, again, we can take this bed out. You can literally gain this whole space back in your van straight away. We do the beds in a 3-seater full width system as well. So if you've not got units in your van and you're going for more of a day van setup, you can have a 150 full width 3-seater bed that goes backwards and forwards on the van. Now you might be watching this because you've not got a Mobiframe system installed in your van just yet. So if you are interested, here at Cosmic Campervans, we can fit these beds to VW Transporters, Ford Transit Customs, Vauxhall Movaros, Vauxhall Movanos, a wide range of vehicles. The prices do range across different vehicles, so I can't tell you exactly how much it's going to cost exactly on this video, but if you are interested, please drop us a message at Cosmic Campervans. You can go onto our website www.cosmiccampervans.com or give us a call on 01332 311 590. We'll get a professional quote over to you and get you sorted out within 24 hours.